Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon. And today we are going to unbox Digitech microphone. So if you're someone who is starting content creation and is thinking to start content creation and want to use microphone and these things for YouTube vlogs, right? So you can definitely purchase this one, as I am also a beginner in content creation journey. I compared many options on Amazon and I found this one to be the most reliable and affordable, because as a beginner you would not want to spend a lot of money on these things. So this costed me around 4000, but it was still very affordable option. So let's unbox it right now. And it comes with a kit, so travel friendly kit. You can easily carry your microphone in this so that it is safe to carry around. So in this kit basically we are getting one receiver and two transmitters. So one transmitter is extra if you want it as an option, and you want like if there are two-person doing a podcast and if you want to plug this mic uh, on the like another person, and you want your video to capture the voices of both the people, so you can use two transmitter and one receiver. So transmitter is always attached to your cloth wherever you want to use it. So this has a clip kind of thing, as you can see. And this one is basically receiver which you have to attach to your phone. So even if you keep your device far away on a tripod, you'll be very easily able to capture your voice from far off places. So it really helps in outdoor locations if you're shooting somewhere on the road or somewhere where it is very windy, and you think that there's a lot of surrounding noise. So this thing really helps. It is very good in doing the noise cancellation also, though I still have to use it. I haven't used it. I'll give my review after using it for some time. So there is one manual kind of thing, how to use it and how does it work. So it gives us everything, all the specs of this particular item. And okay, so there are different kind of cables over here. Let me just bring them all out. So this is for iPhone with a lightning port and C type. So this one will go in the transmitter, and if you have a iPhone with the lightning port, you basically have to plug in to your phone this side. अब हम इसको ऑन कर रहे हैं. सो एज यू कैन सी देर आर लाइट्स ब्लिंकिंग ओवर हियर. सो बेसिकली आप जैसे ही ट्रांसमीटर और रिसीवर ऑन करते हो, ये अपने आप कनेक्ट हो जाते हैं. एज यू कैन सी ये जो लाइट है ऑलरेडी ग्रीन है. अगर मैं रिसीवर बंद कर दूंगी बाय लॉन्ग प्रेसिंग इट, सो दिस लाइट इज़ ब्लिंकिंग नाउ, मतलब कि अभी ये कनेक्टेड नहीं है. बट जैसे ही रिसीवर ऑन होता है विद लॉन्ग प्रेस, ये ऑटोमेटिकली कनेक्ट हो जाते हैं. सी नाउ द लाइट इज़ नॉट ब्लिंकिंग, सो दे आर ऑलरेडी कनेक्टेड. और सिंगल प्रेस करने से इट गोज़ ऑन द एको मोड. अभी हम ट्राई करेंगे, इसको टेस्ट करेंगे हाउ इट वर्क्स. ओके गाइस, सो एज यू कैन सी अब हम ये ट्रांसमीटर लगा रहे हैं यहाँ पर, और रिसीवर लगा है थ्रू द सी पोर्ट ऑन माई फ़ोन. So now you must be able to hear me very clearly, and you can also identify the difference. मैंने जितनी भी पहले सारी वीडियो रिकॉर्ड की थी वो सारी बिना इस सेट के थी, ट्रांसमीटर और रिसीवर के सेट के बिना थी. So you can clearly observe the difference, that how it cancels all the noise in your surroundings when you're recording with this. So I'll try this and then I'll get to know is it worthy or not. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you found some valuable information. Keep following me for more such updates. Thank you.